I want to introduce you to the Hill family of Plano. They are a busy family of 5 that's dealing with Duchenne muscular dystrophy. TXCA 21's Gina Miller caught up with them, and she has their story.
Ready? There you go.
This is a typical afternoon in the Hill house.
Oh, I missed it.
Full of laughter and activity.
Well, I played college sports, and Simone grew up playing soccer, and our boys are always involved in sports.
All 3 boys are athletes, including 9-year-old Tyus, who doesn't let Duchenne muscular dystrophy stop him.
Way to strike him out, Tyus.
It's a disease that gradually weakens the skeletal or voluntary muscles in the arms, legs, and trunk.
I don't think we'd ever even heard of muscular dystrophy, much less Duchenne muscular dystrophy. In fact, we only knew of it through the telethon and our experiences watching that.
Tyus' diagnosis forced the Hill family to make some changes, but it introduced them to the Muscular Dystrophy Association.
They've meant so much to us because when you find out about your child having a disease and you don't know anything about it, you're just kind of looking for answers, and they gave us so many answers and so much support.
It changed our perspective on every moment of every day and making it count.
Tyus does a good job of that on his own, from playing pranks on older brothers Darius and Marcus.
I used to have this whoopee cushion, and Tyus would find a way to blow it up, and he'd always put it under the couch cushion or a pillow or something, and he'd just go nuts whenever somebody sat on it.
Tyus, which target you like?
To enjoying his MDA summer camp experience to the fullest.
Oh, yeah.
Good job, buddy.
I created these jerseys and arts and crafts.
These are all jerseys you drew while you were at camp this past summer?
Yeah.
Very good. I think you're an artist in the making.
Of course I am.
And the Hill family is making the most of what could have been a devastating blow.
He's very precious to us, and we want the time that he has to be as great as possible.
For the MDA Telethon, I'm Gina Miller.